learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Mainong District in southern Kaohsiung has one of the biggest Hakka populations. Nearly 90% of the people there are Hakka, and many of them speak Hakka. Due to its unique location, traditional Hakka customs, clothing, language, food, and the way of life remain very much the same as they were generations ago. On Fumei Road is the Guangshan Temple, an important religious center for the Mainong community that's dedicated to many religions and deities. Construction began in 1917 and was completed in 1933 with 3 worship halls, perfect for festivals and a place of worship for the community.
Yo, what's up? It's time to talk about Hakka on FM 100 ICRT.
Hello， 大家好，我是阿平哥 Leo。
Hello， 你好，大家好，我是 Joseph Lin。我们今天精神都很好，应该到处去玩好了。
最近比较冷哈，我们来去比较温暖的地方，好不好？
哦，好啊。
我们来去南部好了。
哦，对，现在12月份 ，It's December already. Let's go down to southern Taiwan. It's a little bit warmer there. 哦，
是。
好啦，那到南部客家庄的地方吗？
当然，我们来去美浓好了。
哦，美浓好啊，当然啦，非常知名的美浓啊。
介绍一个地方好不好？这个地方就叫做广善堂。
广善堂，
它就是一个寺庙，叫做广善堂。
Oh, it's a temple actually that is well known, I suppose, in 美浓。
对对，它是一个蛮重要的一个信仰中心。
Okay, so it's kind of a religious center in this township. 那它成立的历史应该也蛮久的了。
哇哦，可久了嘞，已经快100年了。它是在1917年的时候就已经成立了，新建起来了。
真的快100年了。
对啊
It's been around for a century. Definitely something you don't want to miss out. And again, it's a religious center for the Hakka people in 美浓。因为美浓它其实是一个80%-90%都是客家人的地方嘛，不是吗？
很多客家人。
对
对对，而且像这个地方啊，叫广善堂嘛，它是美浓、米浓的字子记它每次都是从这里当出发点、起点。
Okay, so there's a festival that also takes place in 美浓 and it starts from this particular kind of temple and it's called again 广善堂. Okay, it's a starting point for this festival. So it's a very important place for sure.
对啊。
好，所以就是高雄美浓广善堂，教我们怎么说？
高雄，
高雄，
米浓，
That's the town. 美浓，
广善堂，
广善堂 That's the place, the building, the religious center known as 广善堂. December, go down south and have a good time there, have a vacation, maybe on the weekend. 我们南部见咯。
好啊，没问题。
That does it for today's Talk About Hakka.
什么大家？
俺只是张来了。
客家风情由客家委员会监制。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.